Well, let's now take a look at the bird flu scare in several states. States such as Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, and even Haryana are battling both COVID and a bird flu scare. A bird flu, also called avian influenza H5N1, is a viral disease that can spread from one bird to another and then to other animals. After tests of samples of dead birds in Rajasthan, it confirmed a bird flu. Some other states have also sounded the alert to tackle the spread. Samples of dead migratory water birds found at the Pong Dam Lake in Himachal Pradesh have tested positive for the avian influenza. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries have also been asked to take precautions. And in Haryana, 4 lakh poultry birds were died in 10 days is what is being reported. In Madhya Pradesh as well, many crows were found dead, while in Kerala, over 12,000 ducks were found dead, and now over 3,600 are going to be culled. Well, for more on this, let's go across to NDTV's Ghazali, who joins us from Chandigarh, and Sneha joins us from Thiruvananthapuram. Ghazali, first to you. This scare in Himachal Pradesh, in the Kangra Valley, where over 2,700 migratory birds were found dead, and also what's happening in Haryana. Give us the latest.
See, if we talk about Himachal, the Animal Husbandry Department, after the confirmation that these migratory birds were infected with the bird flu, now they are ensuring that it doesn't spread into the poultry farms and other such areas. So now they are on alert. The alert has been issued in the entire state. When it comes to Haryana, the Animal Husbandry Department has issued advisory after 4 lakh poultry birds found dead. Though the cause has still not been ascertained, despite the samples being sent to the Northern Regional Laboratory in Jalandhar. So the team is still collecting samples to reach to a conclusion whether these poultry deaths have been due to the bird flu or whether they were infected with bird flu or not. So alerts have been issued in Punjab, in Jammu and Kashmir, because both these states have wetlands. In the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir also we see arrival of migratory birds in this season, and even in Punjab, in the district of Taran Taran and Firozpur area. So alerts have been issued in Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab, and as far as Haryana is concerned, the the Animal Husbandry Department has also issued some advisory over the recent deaths. The samples are still being collected, and the lab reports are still awaited to confirm whether these deaths were due to bird flu or not. In Himachal, as I earlier mentioned, the Animal Husbandry Department is also on alert there. There has been a complete ban on the sale and consumption of poultry products in Himachal's Kangra district.
All right, and Sneha, what's the situation in Kerala? It's a big, it's a big challenge for authorities. We're already battling a pandemic now, and now this bird flu scare.
Absolutely. It's also difficult for farmers on the ground, for officials on the ground. Amid a pandemic, farmers are already handling a lot of losses. Now, Gargi, just a couple of things. One, culling process has already begun. These are localized right now in 2 districts of Kerala, Kottayam and Alappuzha. Even within these districts, the presence of H5N8 strain of avian influenza is localized. So in Alappuzha, around 20,000 birds, mostly ducks, have been culled on day 1. Around 3,000 to 5,000 birds, ducks, have been culled also in parts of Kottayam. This culling is expected to continue for next 3 to 4 days in these specific areas. Now, what's important is officials are saying this has not spread beyond these areas, the affected localized areas of these 2 districts. So that does come as a relief. 2, in terms of compensation, the state government is yet to decide on that. The farmers, of course, saying that they have already been bearing a lot of losses amid a pandemic, and this has only worsened their situation. So a compensation something very closely looked at. Protocols need to be followed in terms of culling, of how this process of culling will be done. Again, complete guidelines have already been established for that. Now, there are around 26 checkposts between Tamil Nadu and Kerala, which have been set up by the Tamil Nadu government to monitor movement of, poultry or related products amid this entire confirmation of avian influenza. So that also being a very a strong check which has been put in by Tamil Nadu. no official confirmation on whether the products have been banned whatsoever. None on that yet. The Minister of Kerala saying, K. Raju saying that there needs to be no scare and panic at this point because the spread really hasn't happened beyond these localized areas. But Kuttanad in Alappuzha, parts of Kuttanad in Alappuzha, Kottayam, all of in parts of Kottayam will be seen culling over the next few days. All birds within the radius of 1 kilometer of the affected regions are expected to be culled. Now, it was in the last week of December that, you had ducks dying, the ducks which were being raised by farmers dying in large numbers, and that's when the sample was sent to the Bhopal-based laboratory and it was confirmed for H5N8 strain of avian influenza. As of now, no human being has been infected with this strain in Kerala at present.
All right, Sneha and Ghazali, thanks so much for joining us with that. And several states now on alert and facing this bird flu scare. To talk more about this, we're joined by Dilip, Director of Animal Husbandry in Kerala, and joining us on the phone line, Dr. Mohinder Pal, Joint Director, Regional Disease Diagnosis Laboratory in Jalandhar. First to you, Dilip, if you could tell us, this is quite alarming, and as we were just discussing with our reporters, it's also something which is quite challenging for you authorities facing a pandemic, and now this bird flu scare. Do we know where it came from? Is this something that has come from migratory birds?
Migratory birds possibly. This
Yes.
outbreak may be from the migratory birds, and also climatic change is there. Now we have about 45,000 birds to be culled in the 5 focal centers. And we have done about 50% of the culling is going on, happened yesterday. Today and tomorrow we will complete the operation. And we have 25,000 birds lost. About 70,000 birds are lost from the farmers, for 8 farmers. There is no panic situation. IC activities are pregnant with the local self-government. And also Kerala, as you know, there is local self-government administration is very effective, and they are also in the field with these IC activities, and also the logistics supplied by them. The action will be completed tomorrow, and the sanitization day after tomorrow. There is no panic situation.
And as our reporter was saying that in Kerala, it's remained very localized in just certain areas?
Very localized in 8 focal points.
All right.
Sorry, 5 local points. 8 we tested for it, 3 negative and 5 positive, H5N8.
All right, and it's clearly been here for a while, given that it's spread. We're getting reports all the way from Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and down to Kerala with instances of birds falling sick and dying.
There is no spread of disease in Kerala. It is localized and it can be controlled. It will be controlled by tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
All right, and the public has been asked not to panic over this, though farmers, of course, and poultry farmers are very upset over the setback.
No need of panic, madam. There is no problem in spreading disease, and we have, I told that the local sub-government is actively involved in it, and they are also, with the people participation, we are overcoming this panic situation.
All right. Well, thank you for speaking to us. We also have Dr. Mohinder Pal, Joint Director, Regional Disease Diagnosis Laboratory in Jalandhar. Sir, what can you tell us about the spread of this avian influenza? And, it's being reported in several states. You have instances of crows dying in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and then, of course, the migratory birds in Himachal Pradesh.
There is only one report from Himachal Pradesh in the Pong Dam Lake.
Yes.
There we got a suspected case on 30th December, and that was considered positive, and Government of India has declared that area is not notified, and in that area we have only, that is all from, not from a domestic poultry, that is from the migratory birds, then there is no problem. We have only imposed a restriction on a 1 kilometer area by the district authority to solve the issue. We will take a sample from that area and we will re-examine whether there is a local poultry is affected or not. Otherwise, there is no panic. No domestic poultry bird or backyard poultry in Himachal and in Punjab is affected so far. What about the reports in media? That is in Haryana there is some problem where my team was gone in the evening, and we have taken sample, and today morning they came back to my this lab, and we will test, and they'll find out whether it is from bird flu or something other.
So you're talking about the poultry birds that died in Haryana. So you're saying that we're not very sure yet whether it is indeed avian, whether it's bird flu.
We are taking a sample from that area. My team is there right now in the Barmala, in the Panchkula district, and we will conduct a test in the evening. Then we come to know the exact cause. Surely we cannot say that it is from the bird flu. In our state, in the Punjab state, there is not a single case of bird flu till that day, and there is no need to be panic. No need to panic. No need to panic.
Right, sir, and so we're saying that this could have come from migratory birds. Also, a worry for the poultry farmers, of course. Yes.
Oh, no problem. No problem. It's only in the migratory birds, and this is not found in the local birds.
All right, we're also joined by A. Alexander, the collector of Alapura. Thank you so much for being with us. Tell us about the situation in your district.
Yeah, it is okay. We have completed the culling of 20,000 ducks yesterday. Remaining 14,000 we will do the process today. So the entire process will be over today evening. In 4 panchayats, we already the health team and also the animal husbandry team and the local panchayat and every department is active in the whole area of the panchayat. We have taken all preventive measures in that area of panchayat, and also we are giving preventive medicines also the laborers and farmers and all that. And also we are as a part of surveillance we are doing the checking these temperature and fever and things also. That kind of things also going on. The sanitation also going on in and around the area where the culling takes place. The sanitation also going on.
All right, sir, and you're asking people not to panic, that you've managed to, get control of the situation currently, and as you said, more birds will be culled, and it's very localized there in Kerala.
There is no need of any panic because that is the local area where the things identified, identified is under surveillance. So there is no need of any panic. So we need, precautions. So that we are well taken place of that.
All right, Dr. Pal, still with us there, sir. What about these worries about avian flu jumping to humans, and there've been no reports on that till now? Well, we seem to have lost the line there with Dr. Paul, but that is the situation, as we said, an alert in several states over the bird flu scare, and as we were reporting from Kerala and in Himachal Pradesh as well, where migratory birds were found dead. An investigation in Haryana after poultry birds were also found dead, but authorities have been saying not to panic, but to remain on alert. So several states are on alert given these reports of bird flu being found in some of the states, and deaths of crows being reported, as we said, in Madhya Pradesh, in Rajasthan and in Gujarat as well, where dead birds were found.